Hello. Mm.
Serve it with my macaroni. Macaroni. Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome and welcome back to your channel, Rabbit Foods, a channel of amazing recipe. If at all you are new in this channel, please feel welcome. Thank you so much. View my videos. Give them a like if you love them. Share with your friends on other social networks, and then subscribe. Remember also to switch on that notification bell so that whenever I post in a video, you will be among the first people to be notified. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for returning back. Stay there. My people, today I'm back with this amazing recipe. Yes, remember this channel is for amazing, tasty, delicious, yummy recipes. So guys, today for my life of chicken, today I'm back with oven baked chicken, creamy chicken, and I'm going to serve it with pasta. What is it? Oven baked creamy chicken thighs. I'm going to serve it with pasta. So let's get to the cooking. First, I will use paprika to marinate it. I'll use black pepper and I will use some vegetable oil. Then after that, to make the sauce, I'll use these red onions. I've just blended my tomatoes. I have tomato paste. I have here you can use plain yogurt or you can use cream, salt to taste. And what I'm going to serve with, I'm going to serve with this pasta. So guys, keep tuned. Putting salt first. The salt is well spread. I'm going to use paprika. And leave it aside for to marinate for about 30 minutes. So keep tuned, guys. 30 minutes are over. And now I've just placed my pan to heat and I'll add some oil. I'll just place my thighs. You can see how amazing my chicken looks. ready, and now keep tuned for the next step. So I'll use the same oil to fry some my red onions. Add my tomato puree. This is now the time to add any spices if you want. Some chicken. So for the paste, I use this chicken masala, paprika. So that's all. I'll continue giving it a good stir so that all the spices. Baking tray. I'm going to bake this chicken. So I'll use this. I'll now place my chicken in. Preheated my gas, my oven, so I'll just open it and now place my chicken to bake. So this is it. I'm setting it. I'm going to set it at 275 degrees Celsius. So keep tuned, guys. When my chicken is still cooking, I'm going to prepare this pasta because I'm going to serve it with this. So keep tuned. add some butter to give it a taste, or anything salty butter. Boiled, so I'll just cover it and let it cook. So guys, just keep tuned. I'm baking my chicken and my pasta as well. My macaroni is almost ready and my chicken is ready as well. So I'll just give it about just a few minutes as I take off my chicken. Whoa, whoa. Look at my chicken. It's now ready and it's looking so whoa, whoa. Let me just take it out. My macaroni is done. So appetizing, guys. So I'll just switch off this. So I'll put it aside and bring my chicken now. Guys, you can see how my chicken is doing. So nice. So I just want to take it out. It's ready. My chicken is ready, and this is the stew. It's somehow creamy because I used some cream. So I'm just going to serve it with my macaroni. Macaroni. I'll get some piece of meat. Whoa, so tasty, looking so tasty. Oh, so guys, please give my video a thumbs up, like my video, share, and subscribe if at all you have not subscribed to this amazing channel with amazing videos. Please, thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.